exponents, and we are practicing those laws for doing some problems, isn't it? So before moving
Yes,
to
ma'am.
the problems, can I ask Ashmit? Ashmit, start saying that laws of exponents, Ashmit.
A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n.
Okay.
A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n.
Okay. Correct. Unmute, Ashmit. I can't hear. Unmute.
A raised to m, the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to mn.
Okay, Shivanand. Shivanand, start. Continue. Shivanand, you continue. Shivanand.
Yes, ma'am.
Shivanand, you start.
A raised to m into b raised to m equal to a raised to m n. A raised to negative n into a raised to negative n is equal to 1 by a raised to n. A raised to 0 equal to 1. A raised to a divided by b whole raised to m is equal to am by bm.
Okay, Steve. Steve. Steve.
Yes, ma'am.
State the laws.
What one?
Okay, you state the laws of exponents. Start saying it.
A raised to m into b raised to b, a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. A divided by n.
A divided by n.
A raised to n divided by a raised to m is equal to a raised to m minus n. A raised to m the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. A minus n is equal to a divided by a n.
I didn't understand that one. What was it?
A raised to minus n. is equal to
Mm.
1 divided by a.
Mm. Yeah, okay. A raised to n, not a n, A raised to n. Mm.
Uh,
Then,
a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to ab.
okay.
A raised to m divided by b is equal to
Mm.
a raised to m
Mm.
divided by b raised to m.
Okay, good. So, right, next question. Right, next question. Find the value of find the value of 2 by 3 the whole raised to negative 2. 2 by 3 the whole raised to negative 2. First, how we will change the negative 2?
1 by 2 by 3.
1 by is needed. We are writing the, we have to write
I'm reciprocal.
reciprocal. So reciprocal, what is reciprocal of 2 by 3?
3 raised to
3 by 2. 3 by 2. Reciprocal of 2 by 3 is reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. No need to write 1 by. If you write 1 by, it is correct, but it is confusing. So just write the reciprocal as 3 by 2. So 3, it will be equal to 3 by 2 the whole raised to 2. Negative sign will go. 2. So this equal to 3 square by
3 raised to 2.
3 raised to 2 by 2 raised to 9 by 4.
9 by 4.
9 by 4. 9 by 4. Okay, next one is negative 2 by 3. Negative 2 by 3. The whole raised to negative 2. The whole raised to 2. Negative 2 by 3. The whole raised to negative 2. The whole raised to 2. Which law first we will use here?
A raised to m whole raised to n.
Equal to a raised to mn. Okay.
Mn.
So here we can write negative 2 by 3. The whole raised to
2.
2.
negative 2
Negative
into 2.
2 into 2. Okay. So negative 2 by 3. Negative 2 into 2. We are multiplying. A raised to m. The whole raised to n is a raised to mn. That is m into n. So we will multiply this negative 2 and 2. Understood?
Yes.
So
Reciprocal.
now we will write the reciprocal. It is equal to
3 by
3 by negative 2 the
raised to
whole
4.
raised to 4.
4.
Negative sign will go.
Ma'am, so 3 raised to 4 by 2, negative 2 raised to 4.
Yes.
3
Now we will
4
again
by
use
negative
3
2
raised to 4 by negative 2 raised to 4. This we can write 3 raised to 4. Negative 2 raised to 4, it is negative raised to 4, and negative raised to an even number will be positive. So you can write in this way. Negative raised to an even number will be positive. Negative 1 raised to 6 will be 1. Negative 8 raised to 10 will be, you can write it is positive 8 raised to 10. Because negative 1 raised to an even number, it will be positive. Negative 16 raised to negative 16 raised to 20 will be equal to 16 raised to 20. If the power is even number, that term will be negative, will become positive because two negatives are positive. Next one.
Ma'am, we are not finding that like 9.
This no need to find 3 raised to 4. If you find, no problem.
Okay, ma'am.
The answer will be 81, isn't it?
81. Yes.
81 by 16.
16.
Okay. Sometimes they may ask, write the answer in the form of exponents.
Exponent.
Ma'am,
First,
can you explain again?
huh?
Can you explain again?
Yes. I will do once again. That is better because there are many confusions. Write the question. Who asked? Who asked that?
Adnan.
Huh?
Adnan.
Adnan.
Yes.
Okay, Adnan, you listen. This question is negative 2 by 3, the whole raised to negative 2, the whole square. Okay. First, we are using the law a raised to m, the whole raised to n equal to a raised to mn, multiplying the powers, exponents. Okay, Adnan?
Ma'am, next time while we are writing the answer, we should write the law also.
Yes. If a law is again and again repeating, no need to write. But once you have to write. So this will be equal to negative 2 by 3, the whole raised to negative 2 into 2. Understood, Adnan? We are multiplying these negative 2 and 2, like m into n. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is equal to negative 2 by 3, the whole raised to negative 4. Now we have to change the exponent minus 4 into plus 4. For that we are writing the reciprocal as 3 by negative 2, the whole raised to 4. Okay? Again we are using the formula law a by b, the whole raised to m. We can give separately to numerator and denominator. A by a raised to m by b raised to m. So this is 3 raised to 4 by negative 2 raised to 4. Okay, Adnan?
Yes.
So this is equal to 3 raised to 4 by 2 raised to 4 because a negative raised to an even number will become positive. Because negative 2 into negative 2 into negative 2 into negative. These two negatives become positive. These two negatives become positive. So any negative power, negative 16 raised to negative 20 will be equal to 16 raised to 20. Okay, any negative number raised to an even number will be equal to positive.
Positive.
Okay,
Yes.
understood, Adnan? You
Yes,
understood? Okay. Next question. Evaluate. Ask if any doubt. Ask. I will explain as much you want. Okay. Don't hesitate to ask. I will like that. Evaluate 8 raised to negative 1. This is fourth question, isn't it? 8 raised to negative 1 into 5 raised to 3. Evaluate 8 raised to negative 1 into 5 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to negative 4. 2 raised to negative 4. 2 raised to... yes?
First law.
Which law?
A raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a.
A raised to m into b raised to m, exponents should be equal.
Yes.
Here it is not equal. Exponents are not equal.
Ma'am,
We can bring that 2 raised to negative 4 into top.
That we can do. 2 raised to negative 4. You can take into top. Then negative 4 will be changes to positive. Anything else?
Ma'am,
Then?
negative 1 we can change it.
Negative 1 how?
Ma'am,
1
We
by
can take it.
ma'am,
1 by
that
8 raised to
3
1.
plus 1 is equal to negative 4.
No, 3 plus 1 we cannot do because it is 8. This is 5. That we cannot do. If a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. If you are mentioning this, the base should be equal. Both should be a.
Ma'am, not that. If we are doing -1,
Minus 1.
no, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So,
No, we cannot do that because the base are 8 and base are 5. Different base. Which law we will use? Either we have equal base or we should have equal
ma'am,
exponents.
ma'am, 1 by 8.
1 by 8 we can do. 1 by 8. Before that, first of all, we can change the 8 itself. 8 can be written in the form of some exponent. Which was that? 8 is...
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
4
2 raised to
square.
3.
Yes, very good. 8 is 2 raised to 3. So, first of all, we will write 2 raised to 3, the whole raised to minus 1. 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to, question is what? 2 raised to negative 4. Okay. First, we will write 8 as 2 raised to 3. 8. The whole raised to negative 1 into 5 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to negative 4. 2 raised to 3. I will explain once again. 8 can be written as 2 raised to 3.
Yes.
8 is 2 raised to 3. So 8 raised to negative 1 can be written as 2 raised to 3, the whole raised to minus 1. That is, it is 2 raised to negative 3. So this is equal to 2 raised to negative 3. And as Shivanya told, we can take 2 raised to negative 4 to the numerator by changing its
Ma'am.
sign of the exponent. Yes?
Ma'am, not Shivanya Prarthana said.
Yes, Prarthana, good. I thought it is Shivanya. Okay, good, Prarthana. Okay. Understood all of you that change? We are taking to the top numerator by changing its exponent.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, that one, negative
one?
1 is where?
Negative 1 we multiplied. See here. We multiplied 8 raised to minus 1 equal to 8 raised to minus 1 equal to
2 minus
2
3.
cube raised to minus 1. So it is 2 raised to minus 3.
Okay,
Understood?
ma'am. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Okay. Now 5 also there. 5 raised to 3. Now what we will do?
Ma'am,
Which law
first
can we-
am into a raised to m into a
yes,
raised to
we will use that law. A raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So this will be equal to 2 raised to
2 raised to
Negative
negative 3 plus 4.
Okay, negative 3 plus 4 into 5 raised to 3.
Ma'am,
Okay.
negative 1.
Negative 3 plus 4 is equal to, Mithun? Negative 3 plus 4? First,
Negative 1.
Mithun, negative 3 plus 4 is equal to what, Mithun? Mithun, negative 3 plus 4 is equal to? Mithun, say the answer. Negative 3 plus 4 is?
Negative 1, ma'am.
How negative 1, Mithun?
Ma'am, minus.
Negative 3 plus 4. 4 is larger. Negative 3 is lesser. So it is equal to
Positive 1.
positive 1. Again, confusion in addition of positive and negative numbers. So 2 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 3. 2 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 3. So this much is enough. No need to multiply, because we can express the answer in the exponential form. Anybody want explanation for this question once again? Did you all understood? Understand all of you? Huh?
Yes, yes, yes.
Adnan? You want, I will explain once again. Jeevan? Jeevan? Understood?
Ma'am,
Okay. So
ma'am,
we, yes.
ma'am, 2 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 3. We want to do the some more other no to do
Which one? Which one?
2 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 3.
No need to multiply. No need to multiply because we have to express in the exponential form. So no need to multiply. If we multiply, it is 2 into 5 into 5 into 5, 125. But we can express the answers in the exponential form. Okay. Then here you can stop it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now next question. Next question. Write the question. 3 raised to minus 1, 3 raised to minus 1, plus 4 raised to minus 1, plus 5 raised to minus 1, the whole raised to 0. 3 raised to minus 1, plus, don't say the answer. All of you write the answer. I will ask. 3 raised to minus 1, plus 4 raised to minus 1, plus 5 raised to minus 1. Abhishek, what was the answer? Abhishek, answer me. Abhishek, can you hear me? No. So Krishnaveni, what was the answer? 3 raised to negative 1 plus what we can do here? Krishnaveni. Others don't say the answer. Only Krishnaveni. Krishnaveni. Krishnaveni.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
What we will do here? Tell me.
ma'am, 3 plus 4 plus 5 raised to negative 1.
But you are using which law? By which law you are writing that? 3 plus 4 plus 5 raised to negative 1. By which law you are using?
A raised to m plus b raised to m is equal to ab whole raised to m.
Such a law is there. You check your laws. We have written all the laws. Such a law is there.
No.
Krishnaveni. Krishnaveni.
Yes.
Read the laws. Take your page and read the laws. Read the laws.
Ma'am, a raised to m into b raised to m.
A raised to m into b raised to m is equal to ab raised to m. Okay. So that law can we use here in this question? Can we use it?
Yes.
How? If yes, how? That I'm asking. Our question is 3 raised to negative 1 plus 4 raised to negative 1 plus 5 raised to negative 1. How can we use this law here? Can we use?
No, ma'am.
So what we will do in this question, what we will do? Which law? If this law is not applicable, which law can we use here? Think. Did you studied all the laws, Krishnaveni?
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me. Krishnaveni, where are you? Okay. Start from the beginning. Krishnaveni.
Ma'am, laws.
Laws.
A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. a raised to m by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. A raised to m or the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m n.
Okay.
A raised to m into b raised to m is equal to ab the whole raised to m.
Okay, correct.
A raised to negative 1 is equal to a raised to negative n is equal to 1 by a raised to n.
Okay, good. Okay, good.
A raised to 0 is equal to 1.
Okay, very good, very good. You know so all the laws. That's good. But my question is here we can use which law? You know all the laws. Good. Very good. Here we explained this type of questions before. I have given many examples of this type. Think. Krishnaveni, I ask you, all of you, do the problems daily twice. Whatever we are doing in the class, you have to do it again 2 times. Otherwise, you cannot get the next class. Okay.
A
Yes.
raised to 0 is equal to 1.
Yes, very good, Krishnaveni. Any quantity raised to 0 is equal to 1, nothing else. Any quantity raised to 0 equal to 1. 3 raised to negative 5 into 4 raised to negative 16 whole raised to 0 is equal to 1. Any quantity raised to 0 is equal to 1. Whatever may be, any quantity raised to 0 is equal to 1. So the answer is 1. Understood all of you others?
Yes.
Okay. Write the answer. Okay, good. Write the answer. Nothing to do there. Okay, next question. Next one. 5 raised to negative 1. 5 raised to negative 1 into 2 raised to negative 1 into 6 raised to negative 1. 5 raised to negative 1 into 2 raised to negative 1 into 6 raised to negative 1. Okay. I will ask Tia.
Yes, ma'am.
Tia. What we will do here? 5 raised. Tia.
Yes, ma'am.
You ask your TV is on there, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Then off it. Okay. 5 raised to negative 1 into 2 raised to negative 1 into 6 raised to negative 1. Okay, Tia, what we will do?
Ma'am, a raised to
Which law? Okay.
a raised
A raised to
m into b raised to m
equals
to ab or raised to m.
Yeah, very good. AB whole raised to m. Because here the exponents are both negative 1. So a into b raised to m. So first bracket will be 5 raised to negative 1 into 2 raised to negative 1. We can write 5 into 2 raised to negative 1. Okay. Into 6 raised to negative 1. 5 into 2 is what, Tia? Tia. Thomas Chaco, 5 into 2 raised to negative 1 is equal to? This we can write 5 into 2 raised to negative 1 into 6 raised to negative 1. Again, what we will do?
Same.
Again, Thomas Chaco, what can we do again? Oh, Tia is there. Are you there, Tia? Tia or Thomas Chaco? Give the answer.
Ma'am, same method.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Tia. What next? What next? Hmm? What next? 10 raised to negative 1 into 6 raised to negative 1. What we will do next? I think she has some network problem. Alina Varghese, what we will do next? Alina.
10 into
10 into
6 whole
6.
raised to negative 1.
Very good. The same law. 10 into 6 whole raised to negative 1 equal to
60
60 raised to negative 1.
negative 1.
So next,
1 raised.
Alina,
1 by 60
1
raised
by.
to 1.
Very good. Which law we are using here? Alina?
A raised to m into b raised to m into a
No,
to
here,
m.
this step, which law? This step, last step. 60 raised to negative 1, you told 1 by 60 raised to 1. Which law you are using here? Alina?
A to negative n.
Equal to?
1 by 60.
No, law. I'm asking the law. A raised to minus m equal to? Equal to?
1 by a raised to m.
A raised to m. Okay, very good, very good. So you are thorough. 1 by 60 you can write. 1 by 60 raised to 1. You can write it as 1 by 60. Okay,
Ma'am.
yes? Yes.
Ma'am, the formula A raised to m into b raised to m is equal to A raised to b whole raised to m. The power is all are same. So,
Yes. I'm going to explain that. Good. I'm going to explain. Here, in this question, 5 raised to negative 1 into 2 raised to negative 1 into 6 raised to negative 1. This was our question. Okay.
Yes.
Here, all are multiplication. At a stretch, we can use the formula law, because 5 raised to negative 1 into 2 raised to negative 1 into 6 raised to negative 1.
Negative
We
1.
can write 5 into
5
2
into
into 6, the whole raised to negative 1. That also we can use. Okay.
Ma'am, I done that.
Very good. Very good. Who did in that way?
Midway.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Midhan,
I
it is
also
correct. This also 60 raised to negative 1, 1 by 8. When you are thorough with all the laws, and we are when we are practicing more problems, you can skip some of the steps. So, but in the beginning, write all the steps and all the laws one by one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
After getting enough practice, you can skip 1 or 2 simple steps. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We have one more period. We will do more questions that time. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye, all of you.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.